Think saving for retirement is something you can put off? Think again. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or even 40s, now is the best time to start. Stick with me as I break down the exact steps you need to secure your financial future, no matter your age. 1. Why start saving now? Retirement might seem like it's decades away, but the earlier you start, the more powerful your money becomes. Thanks to compound interest, even small contributions can grow into a massive nest egg over time. But don't worry if you're starting a little later. There are strategies for every age group. Let's dive into how to save for retirement in your 20s, 30s, and beyond. 2. Saving in your 20s. The power of starting early. If you're in your 20s, congratulations! Time is on your side. Here's how to take full advantage. Start small. Stay consistent. Even $50 a month adds up over time. Contribute to a 401k. If your employer offers one, start contributing. Always aim to get the full employer match. It's free money. Open a Roth IRA. You're likely in a lower tax bracket now, so the tax-free growth of a Roth IRA is a game changer. Pro tip: focus on growth-oriented investments like index funds or ETFs to maximize returns while you're young. 3. Saving in your 30s, building momentum. In your 30s, it's time to level up your savings strategy. Here's what to focus on. Increase your contributions. As your income grows, aim to save 15 to 20% of your salary for retirement. Prioritize high-interest debt. Pay off credit cards or personal loans before focusing on investments. Max out tax-advantaged accounts. Maximize your 401k and IRA contributions. For 2024, that's $2,500 for a 401k and $6,500 for an IRA. By the end of your 30s, aim to have at least 1x your annual salary saved for retirement. If you're not there yet, don't worry. It's never too late to catch up. 4. Saving in your 40s and beyond, catch-up strategies. If you're in your 40s or older, you might feel like you're behind, but don't panic. Here's how to play catch-up. Use catch-up contributions. If you're over 50, you can contribute an extra $7,500 to your 401k and $1,000 to your IRA annually. Focus on high-yield investments. Dividend stocks, REITs, and other income-producing assets can help grow your wealth faster. Reduce expenses. Consider downsizing or cutting unnecessary costs to free up more money for savings. At this stage, the key is to make every dollar work harder for you. Stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. 5 common mistakes to avoid. Regardless of your age, there are a few pitfalls to avoid when saving for retirement. Relying on Social Security alone. Social Security should supplement your savings, not replace them. Not diversifying. Don't put all your money in one type of investment. Spread it out. Waiting too long. Every year you delay starting makes it harder to catch up later. Avoid these mistakes and you'll set yourself up for long-term success. No matter your age, it's never too late or too early to start saving for retirement. The most important step is the one you take today. Let me know in the comments. What's your biggest question about retirement savings? I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more personal finance tips, and don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs retirement inspiration. See you in the next one.